Hi 128, it's Tuesday today. It's my birthday too. Happy birthday, Mr. Lorica. Our learning intention in writing is writing an orientation for our holiday recount. And to be successful, I can write a few sentences to introduce my holiday recount using the 5 W's. Just like what we did with our recounts at the end of last term. Using who, where, when, what, and why, just to write the start, the orientation. The orientation is the introduction to your recounts. Okay, and it should only be a couple of sentences, maybe even one or two sentences. So I'm going to use my pre-writing because we're just about to start drafting today. This is drafting. This is my pre-writing from yesterday, and we don't just do our pre-writing and then just close the book and leave it. We use our pre-writing to help us. These are all the ideas are down on this page. So for our orientation, which is just the orientation today, I'm going to be looking at the orientation section here. Okay, so I'm going to take you over to the whiteboard now. I think you can see that. Okay, I'm just going to put the writing table over here for now. Now the first thing that we need to do, and I'm hoping that you have something that you can write on. I would like to see that you actually handwrite this one, so not typing this. So I've drawn up my page here. Okay, and you need to get a ruler. I'm going to just use this as my ruler for now. Okay, and you must rule up a margin to the side, just how we learned in term 1. So the margin will go about there. You can just use something that works like a ruler, like this. Okay, and we need to put the title as well, the title and the date. So the title is going to be My Holiday Recount. My Holiday Recount. Underline your title, and you put the date as well. So the date today is the 21st of the 4th month, which is April, and 2020. Okay, so now I'm ready to start writing my orientation, nice and close to the margin. The title's okay if it moves away from the margin a little bit, but when we start writing, it goes here. Now we don't write in point form for this. Point form or keywords is only for our writer's notebook when we are planning. We actually need to write sentences now, proper sentences, capital letters at the start, full stops at the end. So, and it's only going to be quite brief. Okay, so and it needs to answer the 5 W's as well. So I'm just going to write those 5 W's down here. Who, where, this is out of my page, so this is what it's on my writer's notebook, but I'm writing it here so you can see it. Who, where, when, what, and why. Oops, looks like a G. Okay, all questions. That needs a question mark. Who, where, when, what, why. Okay, now the orientation that I'm about to write, it should be able to answer all 5 of those W's in there. Let's find out after. Okay, so on the school holidays, I did many different fun activities at my house. At my house. Oops. At my house with Mum and Dad. I stayed at home to be safe. Okay, so that is my orientation. So let's read it out. On the school holidays, I did many different fun activities at my house with Mum and Dad. I stayed at home to be safe. So we're going to have a look through and see if it answers all of these questions. Let's do that now. So, who did it? I. And so who did that? Who did the what I'm about to write about? So the school holidays. It was me, and it was my parents as well. Where was it? Where was it? At my house. When was it? On the school holidays. What was it? Fun activities. That's what it was. And why? We stayed at home to be safe. That's why. That's why we did the activities at home and had our school holidays at home. Okay, so that's just my orientation. So then tomorrow we're going to go through a series of events. And remember, our series of events starts with firstly. So that we're going to be leaving a space after that. I'm going to start with firstly. Now I'm not going to show you that until tomorrow. But firstly we'll start there after we leave a space. And that's when we'll actually go into detail about what those activities were. We don't need to list them in our orientation. Okay, so now it's over to you. I want you to have a go at writing your orientation. It's going to be slightly different to mine. I want to see that you can answer who, where, when, what, why. Say it with me. Who, where, when, what, why. Happy writing.